You have dents in your vehicle? Hi everybody, I'm Charlie with the Recon shop. Behind me, I'm going to show an example of the paintless dent repair method. We have a 2024 Porsche with a really sharp dent in the passenger side quarter panel. This was a dent that we were able to remove using paintless dent repair. It was probably about maybe a little over 2 inches across, and in an area that has really decent access. Although we did have to do a little bit of R&I, that means remove and install. This was a very simple process. We removed this interior trim on the interior quarter panel, and that allowed us to get our tools right behind the dent and push it out using the paintless dent repair method. This dent came out fantastic using the PDR method, and it kept the vehicle completely original, and it's like it never happened. So if you have damage on your vehicle and would like to find out if it's a candidate for paintless dent repair, get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. That's 512-290-4245. Also, we're conveniently located here at 201 Industrial Boulevard in Cedar Park. I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop. Thanks for watching.